So we're gonna start with the ball right where that hip pocket is, all right? And then we're going to just spend some time there. We're gonna breathe, we're gonna put some pressure on it. We can kind of lay there, stay still, or we can go side to side. And then after about a minute of that, then we'll move to the side, all right? And what we'll do is we'll just kind of stack our legs and be in this fetal position. So that we're going to go to the side of the glute. And then after we stay here for a minute or so, then we'll open up this top leg and roll to our back. All right, still staying underneath the belt line. So I'm at the top of the glute here. And the one I'm going to do is I'm going to come to kind of like seated position. All right, the ball traveling down over the glute, down towards my hamstring, okay? And then once I get to my hamstring, then I'm just gonna go side to side. All right. This whole process should take about, just really lengthen out, about 5 minutes per side, okay? And then what I like to do is I like to just kind of finish up with the ball right under here. Again, right at the hamstring, top of the hamstring, bottom of my glute, and just kind of sitting like that. And just kind of going side to side and having the ball really dig up underneath there, okay? So again, 5 minutes per side, and then move to the other side, and then you're set.